Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture into an email using Outlook. This is a fundamental skill that makes your emails more engaging and professional, whether you're sharing screenshots, adding visual context, or simply personalizing your messages. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full suite of Outlook's features. Make sure you're properly signed in before proceeding to the next step. Once your email has been loaded and you're viewing your inbox, it's time to access your email composition tools. Look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on it to open a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll be drafting your message and inserting your picture. Now that you're on the email composition screen, the process of inserting a picture becomes quite straightforward. Direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the composition window and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you need for adding various elements to your email, from files to links to images. From the Insert tab, you'll see the Pictures menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. You'll notice choices like From Device, Stock Images, and Online Pictures. Each of these options serves a different purpose depending on where your image is stored. If you have a photo saved on your computer, you'd select From Device. If you want to use professional stock photography, you'd choose Stock Images. And if your image is hosted online somewhere, you'd pick Online Pictures. For this tutorial, we'll use the From Device option as it's the most commonly used method. Click on From Device and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to browse through your computer's folders and files. Simply navigate to the location where your desired picture is saved. Once you've located the picture you wish to insert, click on it to select it. You'll see it highlighted to confirm your selection. After selecting your picture, look for the Insert button at the bottom right of the File Explorer window and click on it. The picture will then be added directly to your email body, appearing right where your cursor was positioned. You can now resize or reposition the image as needed within your email, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert a picture into an email using Outlook, making your communications more visual and impactful. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.